Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print an offline problem fix in Windows 11. So when a printer displays shows in offline in Windows 11, it means your computer has lost communication with the printer. So let's see how it's fixed. First you need to manually uncheck use printer offline option. Sometime Windows toggle a setting that forces the printer to stay offline. So first you need to go to the start menu, type control panel, click on it. Okay, you need to find make a view by as categories. Go to the hardware and sound option, click on devices and printers, scroll down the printer section. You can see there are several printers on my computer, and assume this is the printer that you need to fix. Right click on it, then after click on see what's printing option. In the new window that will pop up, and click the printer tab in the top left menu. So look for use printer offline option in here. If there is a check mark next to it, click to uncheck it. In my case the printer is not connected, that is why it shows like this. If you see any tick mark in here under related to the use printer offline option, you need to untick that one, then the offline issue will be gone. And if it is not worked, you need to restart the Windows Print Spooler service. To do that, you need to close this one first, then you need to type Windows and R in your keyboard. Sorry about that. Okay, it will open the run menu. You need to type services.msc and hit enter. It will open all the services on your computer. Then you need to find printer spooler option. Scroll down. Okay, you can see, double tap on it. Okay, now it is running without issue. So you can right click in here also, then after click on restart option, then it will be restart the spooler service. And if it then after you need to again right click on it and go to properties. Make sure startup type is automatically, not disable manual. It should be automatic, and click on OK. And if that also not working, you need to remove and match the printer's IP port, especially for Wi-Fi printers. To do that, first you need to actually, if your home Wi-Fi router restart, it may assign a brand new IP address to your wireless printer, and Windows 11 will keep trying to send documents using old IP. That's the issue happen. So to fix that, you need to go to search bar, type control panel, go to the hardware and sound option, click on devices and printers, right click on your printer, go to properties. Okay, in this computer it's not there. Let's see in this one. Okay, sorry about that, not the properties. You need to go to printer properties, go to the ports tab. Okay, you need to find the selected port. If it is listed as a standard TCP IP port, click configure port option and check if the printer name or IP address match the exact numbers you printed out in step 1. Okay, in my case these are not real printers, so it's not show the configure port option. You can see it is disabled. So In your case, you need to select your printer port and click on configure port option, and you need to find your current IP address. To do that, you need to print a network configuration page directly from your printer's physical screen menu to find its current IP address, or you can find the IP address using just go to the Google and click find how to find current IP address. It should be 192.168 kind of address. So you need to click on configure port and add that IP address into there. Then it will be matched with your current IP address and it will be work. So next method is, if that one also not working, you need to turn off Windows USB power management for the wired printers. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu, go to the device manager, scroll down and expand the universal serial bus controllers, double tap on it, scroll down, right click on your main USB root hub or USB composite device, like this. Right click on it, go to properties, go to the okay, it is not in here. Let's see it with the other one. Okay, that also not there. Okay, this is the one I used. So you will see power management option. Click on that one. Then after, you need to uncheck the box that says allow computer to turn off this device to save power. You need to uncheck that one, tap on OK. Okay, then after, you need to restart your computer to apply those changes. Thank you and